Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add gradient effect to the photos. First we have to select the photo and add it to Picsart. Now I will open photo in Picsart. First we have to crop it to the size that we want. For that go to tools. There select crop option and I have selected square. Then go for stickers. There search for gradient. In this select this pink and blue one. Fit it to the photo. Then go for blend option. There select overlay. Click the right mark. Now again go for stickers. Search for neon square. Select first one. Fit it to the photo. Move it to the place you want. Now in the left side you can see erase option. Click on it and there choose erase. You can change the size and hardness. Now erase that unnecessary part. Now click tick mark and go for effects. Select effects and I have chosen ICY2. That's it guys. Now you can save the pictures. In this video we have learned how to add gradient effect to the photos and neon square.